Yeah, hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. Solana has been dropping in this possible C wave to the downside. Few other wave counts or interpretations might be possible, but we're quite deep in support now. I'd like to see one more low. As you know, sometimes you don't get that additional low, so be ready for some kind of an early move to the upside. At the moment, we certainly only have 3 waves to the upside. That would suggest a wave 4 probably in an ABC pattern here. We are in the support area that I did highlight or have been highlighting for weeks now. And this is also the area where we can still emerge to the upside. Yeah, but I would want to see a break above $15 to confirm that, because everything below $15 can just be part of this corrective wave structure, which has emerged here. Yeah? So I'm currently counting this as a move up in wave 1 since the low on the 22nd of November. Then we moved here in an ABC structure, came down in the C wave. By the way, let's just double check the target again for the C wave. We did that, I think, for a few videos ago. Yeah, first target was the 1-to-1 ratio, broken. Second target here, so the 1236 extension, 1230. That's basically where we are now. And the third target would be the 1.618 extension at 1150. Now that would be quite far away though. Still possible. I would still accept that as part of this wave 2 if we break below that, however, and that's sort of the worst case. If we drop below 1150, I think this low from the 22nd of November is going to break as well. You know that there is short-term upside potential. It is absolutely possible. I would actually, to a degree, expect that short-term upside potential, but please understand this is not high confidence. I don't even want to talk about primary expectation here or so, because this coin has dropped so much. It is way below that 88.7% fib level. We can't even get through this ceiling here. It is so well defined, this resistance. Yeah, we've got here resistance, here, here, and here. It is so well defined that it very well might be broken the next time we approach it. Because if something gets too obvious, it's obviously wrong. Someone said that before, I can't remember who it was. Quite a famous trader, I think. But it is true, because the more often a resistance or support line gets touched, it usually breaks at some point. When it's too well defined, it's gonna break. So if the bulls can just push it higher here against this ceiling, we might very well break it and get in a wave 3 to the upside here to around $19 to $20. Again, it's not high confidence though. It's not high confidence. It's nothing that I would touch at the moment. In the current environment, seems to be very difficult again. It is difficult. But yeah, we still have a chance. You know, we still have a chance. It could be an ABC pattern here. And in the C wave, if this is a count, that's what I would expect, by the way, here in the C wave, that we have a wave 1. And we had here a wave 2. This was probably 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 over wave 3. This is a wave 4, and there should be one more leg down in a wave 5 would be ideal. Retracement area for this wave 4. I'm pretty sure we reached it already, but let's just double check that. No, we haven't. Yeah, we did reach it. Yeah. So we reached, again, you can see how powerful the fibs are. We reached a 23.6% extension retracement. That is at 1253, the minimum retracement for a wave 4. The ideal retracement would be at 1292, the 38.2% fib level, and the absolute maximum it should do is 50% retracement, 1323. If we get above that level, we can assume that something more bullish is going on here. At the moment, I have only 3 waves up, and unless I see 5 waves up, my understanding will be, and assumption will be, that we will make one more low. Target for that one more low, maybe we can, there's different ways of calculating targets here. This is another viable way of doing it. We take the length of the wave 1, go to the high of the wave 4, but this could still push a bit higher, don't forget. Yeah. So the ideal retracement would be 1292. I mean, I would primarily expect us to push a bit higher here to the 38.2% fib level, ideally. That is what the expectation has to be, because it is the most frequent, the ideal target for a wave 4. If we get here, target to the downside would be 1177, basically the lower support of the yellow box for the wave 5. Yeah? So this would be an ideal target down there. Here, unless we go below the wave B low here, so unless we go below 1215, my assumption will be we hit the 38.2% fib level, 1292, and will then come down. And that's basically what I can tell you about Solana. Obviously, if we drop below that 1150 level that we talked about, I think we're going to make new lows straight away. We have chance here to break to the upside, but I would want to see evidence above $15 to confirm that. And then I think it would only be short-term upside, which would eventually most likely break down. So we still have that possibility. I don't know where that positive sentiment should come from, I'm very honest with you. That's why I'm very skeptical about the bullish count, but it is based on the wave structure here, certainly possible. It's just that we need to get the bulls in, right? And any bullish pattern below the 88.7% fib level is questionable, to be honest. Yeah. Okay, that's my update about Solana. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.